Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to solve a Leetcode problem which is named as 132 pattern. In this question, you will be given an array and you have to satisfy a condition which is I should be less than j and k should be less than j, which it defines as 1 is I, 3 is j, and 2 is k. This is known as 132 pattern in which 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 3. We ultimately says that 1 is less than 3. So in this question, let's see a test case, understand what is the basic concept about it. First test case is 1, 2, 3, and 4. First, we have to find all the combinations in which you can possibly find 132 pattern. So all the possibility combinations are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. These are the four combinations without repeating any elements. So, or without changing any order. So we are not able to find anything, any 132 pattern. Okay. So let's take another test case. Let's take 3, 1, 4, 2. 3, 1, 4, 2. So let's write all the possible combinations which can occur, which are 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2. So these are four possible combinations which can occur. So if we look closely, this is the combination which we were looking for. So let's change the color of our pen and let's show you. Here I is 1, J is 4, and K is 2. 1 is less than 4 and 2 is less than 4, which satisfy our condition, and now it is a 132 combination. So we will return true. So you can solve this question by using three approaches. First is brute force method, in which the time complexity will be n cube. Second is using a bit optimized method, which will result you in n square. And the third method, which I am going to show you, will do this, and big of n will be the time complexity for this approach. So we are going to use a stack approach, and now let's see what is going to be our solution. So let's write again our problem 3, 1, 4, 2. So we are going to initialize a stack with the help of STL library in C++, and we will first initialize variable, let's call it min, and we will approach the problem from right to left side. So let's write it 4, 2, 4, 1, 3. So the first element will be our min. Okay, so first will be min and we will push it into the stack 2. Then we will check the condition if min is less than ARR of I. It means we will check it from here 4. Yes, it's obviously less than 2 is obviously less than 4. So we will pop this to out of here and we will save it in a variable called as min. And now the stack will be like this. 4 will be in the stack, which means 4 is the greatest element, or j, and it will act as an k, potential k. So now we have just find the very value of I. Any number less than this will satisfy the equation 132, because if something is less than k, if I is less than k and k is less than j, then obviously I will less than j. So now let's see the code once. So we initialize a stack, and then we are initializing a variable min with int min. So we are using a loop from I equals to last index of the array or vector till the first 0th index of the vector. Then we are checking if nums of I, which is going to be our first index, which will be our value of I, is less than min, because the min holds the value of k. If this is the case, we will return true, else we will return false after the loop has been ended. Then we are using a while loop. The condition of the while loop is if the stack is not empty and the stack top is less than nums of I. So we will update the value of our j with the help of min equals to top the variable of the stack, and we will pop out it. And if this first at first the stack will be empty, so we will input the first element we get from our array, reverse array. So first we will push 2 for this case and check if the next element is less than or equals to our min. Let's run this code once and let's see what we get for output. So our case has been accepted. Let's submit the code. Let's wait for it. Okay, so our code has been verified and it has been accepted. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video and share with your friends.